Hi, my name is Karen and today I'm going to show you our BEEVIE's Face Toner Rose. This refreshingly organic facial toner with rose properties preps your skin perfectly for your daily skincare regimen. The rose water is unbelievably soothing and balancing, while aloe vera revitalizes skin and provides hydration. Birch leaf extracts also have a calming effect on skin and gently minimize the appearance of pores. Because it doesn't contain any alcohol, it is even perfect for sensitive skin types. After cleansing your face, spray the facial toner onto a reusable cotton pad and gently apply it on face and cleavage area, going from inside to outside. Then continue with your daily skincare routine. I hope you're going to enjoy our BEEVIE skincare products. Bussi aus Wien!